Lesson 97, Recursive Rules for Sequences. When we have a little a sub 1, that just means the first term in a sequence. A sub 2 means the second term, and a sub n minus 1 is the preceding term. That means the one right before the term a sub n. So here we have a rule for a sequence. A sub n equals 4n plus 1. So if I wanted to find the fifth term, that would be a sub 5. I'm going to do 4 times 5 and then add 1. And this, 21, is the fifth term in this sequence. Now there is what we call a recursive formula. And that's a formula that we use to find a term if we know the preceding term or the one right before it. So it's used to find a term if we know the preceding term. So if a sub, and this is how it looks, we'll put a little brace, we'll say a sub 1 equals 3. A sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus 3. So a sub n is the term you want to find. And a sub n minus 1 is the term before it. So before the one that you're trying to find. So let's do an example. Write a recursive formula. So we're going to write one for this sequence, 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. So what we need to do is we put our brace down, a sub 1, what's our very first term, is 4. And do you notice what we add to get to the next term? Looks like we're adding 4. So we're going to say any term, we take the term before it, a sub n minus 1, and we add 4. So that's our recursive formula. We're going to do another example. If we're given the formula, a sub 1 equals 5 and a sub n equals 20, a sub n minus 1, find the second and third terms. Well, a sub 2 is going to be equal to a sub 1 times 20. So it's the term before times 20. Now, a sub 1 was 5, so we'll do 20 times 5, or 100. So the second term will be 100. A sub 3 equals 20 times a sub 2. So that's 20 times 100, or 2,000. And that's the end of that lesson.